And we now move on to the latest from the ground in Maharashtra, that is gearing up for the assembly elections. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has been leading public rallies back-to-back, is intensifying the political battle in the state, getting you all the details of how BJP is spearheading its campaign.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold 3 meetings today in Maharashtra as the high-stakes electoral battle draw near. This time, Prime Minister is scheduled to hold 9 rallies across Maharashtra as part of the BJP's campaign. In a sharp criticism, Prime Minister Modi launched a scathing attack on the Congress-led Mahavikas Aghadi, accusing the alliance of using divisive tactics and caste politics to secure votes. This is not the first time that the Prime Minister has targeted the MVA. His recent rallies have been filled with pointed remarks aimed at the coalition.
महाराष्ट्र का तेज विकास ये अघाड़ी वालों के बस की बात नहीं है भाई। अघाड़ी वालों ने केवल विकास पर ब्रेक लगाने में पीएचडी कर दी है। इसलिए याद रखिएगा, अघाड़ी यानी भ्रष्टाचार के सबसे बड़े खिलाड़ी। कांग्रेस अब आदिवासी समाज को जातियों में बांटकर टुकड़े टुकड़े करके कमजोर करना चाहती है। कर्नाटका में आए दिन कोई न कोई घोटाला सामने आ रहा है, यानी कर्नाटका में कांग्रेस जनता को खुलेआम लूट रही है।
During this year's rallies, Prime Minister Modi repeatedly reiterated his claim that the Congress party has a hatred towards the OBCs, citing its failure to form a government after the OBCs united in the 1990s. Meanwhile, PM Modi also praised the Eknath Shinde-led Mahayuti government for implementing several welfare initiatives for women, such as Ladki Bahin Yojana, while accusing the Mahavikas Aghadi of opposing women's empowerment. The political temperature is rising in Maharashtra, and coming days will be crucial as the Mahayuti and Mahavikas Aghadi will continue their fierce political showdown in the state.